Welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new general equation. We find two of this differentiable equation. First of all, we can try through the value of dy from this equation. We are divide on both sides of x plus 4y square dy divided by dy, and here is also dy dx divided by dy, and similarly 0 divided by dy is equal to 0. Now this will be cancelled to each other. We get and here x plus 4y square plus 2y dx divided by dy is equal to 0. Now we try to finish this result. 2y dividing both sides by 2y, and here also 2y and also 2y, so the result again is equal to 0. 2y and 2y are cancelled. Now we arrange this term, and here dx divided by dy plus this will be x divided by 2y, individually we divide, plus 4y square divided by 2y is equal to 0. Now this 2 and cancel to each other. 2y is remaining, 2y we change in here, so dx divided by dy plus x divided by 2y is equal to we change this form, and here's minus 2y, this will be minus 2y, so it will be considered this is f of y and is equal to p of y and x and plus dx divided by dy. So the general form we make in this form, so this will be dy p of y. Now dx divided by dy plus x divided by 2y is equal to minus 2y. So integrating factor we are finding in here, p of y is equal to 1 over 2y. So now integrating factor is e exponent of p of y into dy. So this will be equal to integration of p of y is 1 by 2y dy. So arrange also this term 1 by 2 is constant, we take from outside of the integration, and 1 by y dy is equal to e exponent of 1 by 2 log of y. So further we can simplify e exponent of log of y 1 by 2, so this will be cancelled, so we get and y 1 by 2. Now this integrating first, so now we multiply this term y 1 by 2 dx divided by dy plus y 1 by 2 into x 2y is equal to minus 2y into y 1 by 2 by dy into y 1 by 2 into x is equal to minus 2 y we are taking in here, power is 1 plus 1 by 2. So further we simplify minus 2 and y, so we take the LCM, we get 3 by 2 into y 1 by 2 into x is equal to minus 2y 3 by 2 into dy, and taking integration on both sides, so this will be cancelled. Y 1 by 2 into x is equal to minus 2 y 3 by 2 plus 1. We are using the power rule, 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. By this result, x y 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2, and we take the LCM here 5 by 2, and here is also 5 over 2 plus c. Now this term we can write minus 4 over 5 y 5 by 2 plus C. Now this is the result of x, y 1 by 2. And here the same x1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 over 5 y 5 over 2 plus C is the general solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.